Sa Mendez nang sorpresang dumating sa kanilang bahay. Ang di niya inakalang papakasalan niya a year later. Siya si Erico Gobencion, a 47-year-old unwed single father with a 19-year-old son. Nitong July 27, pinag-isa sina Erico at Melissa sa isang Christian wedding na ginanap alas 5 ng hapon sa Blue Garden sa Quezon City.
Kumusta ang bagong kasal, Melissa?
Ang sarap ng feeling, parang nasa cloud 9, parang heaven talaga. Kasi ang feeling ko talagang God ordained yung wedding namin.
Doon ka na-attract sa 47th birthday mo, ano? Ano naka-attract sa kanya sa'yo kay Eric?
He was introduced to me, actually endorsed to me by my kapitbahay, by my neighbor. Sabi, Melissa, I'll be transferred na to Davao. I would like to endorse to you, my friend, kasi he'll be frequenting your place. So we were introduced formally for the very first time after the many times that he has been here.
Right then and there, Melissa knew that Erica's presence at her birthday celebration was a sign of things to come.
Sabi ko, parang ito na yata yung hinahanap ko na lalaki. After that, he came again and again. Tapos, yun na, wala nang ligawan. Wala nang ligawan na nangyari. Naging kami na, kasi matatanda naman na kami. Tapos, noong November 6,
Anong oras yun?
dinner time, in front of all my family, in front of his son, si Kyle, and my children, Denise, Cassie, and Alex, in front of my brothers, my sisters, and my parents, he proposed to me. And I was like, shocked.
Paano proposal? Paano yun? Wala, nilagay ko siya doon sa, what's this? Itong halo-halo.
The ring?
Oo, the ring.
Buti hindi naman lulungin.
Hindi. Kaya mahirap, baka nga raw malunod, sabi ng mga kapatid niya. So, I removed it. So, nilagay ko lang sa box.
Ito yun.
Ito mo. Ang ganda, ano? Ilang cards mo ito?
More than one.
Ang ganda. Kasi hindi na overrated.
Ayon kay Melissa, iginuhit daw ng tadhana ang pagtatagpo nila ni Erico.
But he came at the time when I wasn't looking. And I came to his life when he wasn't looking. I think this is the song.
Malam niyo po magka-baby.
Kung papararan.
So, kailangan double time. So, Eric, okay lang na si Melissa mag-shows?
So, okay lang. Doon ko naman siya nakilala. So, it will not be siguro problema. Hindi magiging problema sa amin.
Sa Star Talk TX, unang napanood noon ang panig ni Melissa tungkol sa umano'y kanya ng paghihirap, kaya nagtitinda na lang ng barbecue.
Ang barbecue joint, sinara na ni Melissa.
Oo, kasi hindi ko na maasikaso because of yung nakafocus na rin kay Eric, syempre, and then my career. Syempre, importante yung career kasi dyan ang kinabubuhay ko. Nung tinitira-tira nila ako sa barbecue ko, na sinasabi naghihirap na daw ako because nga I put up a barbecue grill, ang startup was there for me and defending me. Because of that, I met the man of my life.